Want to know how you can get better results with your network marketing recruiting? Do you think your network marketing recruiting would increase if you had more knowledge about the products or the compensation plan? What if you had the perfect script and knew exactly what to say to close your prospects? What if you had the best network marketing recruiting system? Actually, those things are all good, but they are not the most important skills when it comes to recruiting for your business. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the one skill that you really need to master if you want to improve your recruiting skills, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Siso Mhlongo here, Njomaneka Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business and anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. So what is one of the most important skills that you need to have if you want to recruit more people into your business and sell more products? Well, it's listening. You need to be an excellent listener. You know, when I started my network marketing business, I always talked about what attracted me to the business instead of finding out what attracted my prospects to the business. Well, I was able to recruit a few people doing that, but I would have recruited a lot more people if I actually listened to them, you know, to see what they liked about the business opportunity. So you have to be good at asking questions and listening to how your prospects respond. You might be attracted to the compensation plan, but your prospect might be attracted to the business opportunity because maybe they donate money to their favorite charity. You know, if you assume that everyone you speak to will join because you liked the compensation plan or the products, and they will also join for the same reason, you'll always struggle when it comes to recruiting new people. Instead of assuming that they want to join for the same reason that you joined, ask them questions and listen carefully. You know, talk less and listen more. You know, some of the questions you can ask your prospects are, what recently has changed in your life that you know you are now open to looking at this business opportunity? How much money do you need to make to live that type of lifestyle? After they watched your presentation, you need to ask them what did they like about the presentation. After you ask those questions, you want to listen what your prospects has to say. If you can master the art of listening, you'll be able to give your prospects what they want, which will eventually lead them to joining you in business or buying your products. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.